Hello there, welcome to our channel Lognips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to download the Google Chrome on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, download the Google Chrome. If you have installed the Windows recently, this Microsoft Edge will be available on your computer by default. Open it and click on the search bar and type in Google Chrome and hit enter. And after that, you can see the Google Chrome option available over here on the first result of Google. Click over there and you will be directed to the Google Chrome Center, where there is the download code button but available over here. Click on download Chrome and you can see the Chrome setup download over here. From here, if you open it, you will proceed to the installation, but I have already installed the Google Chrome, so I'll not be installing. And just click on no, and this is how you download your Google Chrome. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.